Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Luna Classic Update today. So some few days ago, back in 7th of August, actually as a matter of fact, at 5th of August, and I'm going to show you this very quickly, is that I said that imagine we had, after Bomay we didn't take anything, we lost, but how much really? Our long-term trades doesn't count as loss yet. So we were in Bomay trade a very long time ago. We took like 4 to 5% of a loss when August was really bad in the beginning. And then I said that, back in 5th of August, right? Today's like 10 or 11. I said, buy at 5697, okay? Luna Classic in two parts. So basically the idea was we make our purchase at 5697. So if we have $1,000 to trade, we would actually put $500. And if it would have gone a little bit lower, we could have actually put the other $500, okay? And I gave a voice message after some few days.
Hello everyone. Okay, so we've actually taken two trades until now, and I want you to be on the same page. And I posted Luna Classic 2 to 3 days ago, and the crash happened. And I wanted you to enter Luna Classic at 5.6 something, 5,600, and that was a good entry, honestly, because simple put, Luna Classic is going to be more like a swing trade, so it's going to take some time. I'm looking at the weekly time frame, and there's a falling wedge with Luna Classic, and at some point I think it will break up and go back to 10,000 or and even up to 15, and then
I'm just going to stop it here. So I was actually thinking of 10 to 15,000. The potential is actually there, but I ended up closing, and this is on private, by the way. A lot of people always tell me, hey, Adam Coins, you do not share your success stories on with other people who are listening on your videos. You should promote your private trade and stuff. I really do not do this quite often, that's true, but today I decided I'm going to do that one. So yes, people have been taking that trade, and let's get back into the charts. And by the way, the first thing that I want you to do is actually enter Discord, because the private is on Discord. And if you check the comments section, you will get an invitation link to Discord for absolutely free of cost. All you have to do is tap on that link and you're in, okay? And if you want to be a part of private, I'm going to open the entries on 20 of August. Today's actually 17, I guess. Now, the reason why I have decided to take some profit is because Luna Classic has pumped. That's true, okay? Our entry was down here, we sold it up here. Perfect. Amazing trade. What else? How much of a perfect trade was that, okay? And this was just on private, and this was all the best trade that I thought that I could give to my members. They were terrified to even enter down here because all of this was happening, but I knew this was the ultimate entry because, as I said in the voice message, I am looking at Luna Classic on the weekly time frame. It has a falling wedge, and it has the ability to break above and actually go back up here, even up to 22,000 level. Now it has not broken up, and that's the problem, and that's the reason why I'm selling. Now it doesn't hurt to take 41% profit. I mean, yes, it's 41% profit. I want to take it. Okay, I'm not guaranteed of a break, especially considering the fact that you have a resistance here and you just met the resistance, and you can see that you are not breaking above that resistance. So here it is: buy at support, sell at resistance. Okay, and I'm cool with it. It's a trade, it's a win, I'm out, that's okay. I can actually trade something else another day when the market gives me the chance. And if you want to know when I'm going to trade next, I actually have another trade opened up for my private members, and that's actually Pepe. Okay, I'm just going to tell you for free again. Pepe, I have Pepe, and we bought Pepe down near actually, where's Pepe coin? Okay, so we actually entered Pepe somewhere down here, and we're looking to sell it somewhere up here. Okay, I'm just going to tell you that. Why not? I'm feeling good, so I'm just going to let you know that. And back into the Luna Classic update, here it is. You are sitting at the resistance, and if you're wondering to buy, be careful because this is resistance. We actually bought off the support, we actually sell the pump. It's simple as that. Buy the reds, sell the greens. Simple. So if you are wondering I should be entering that Luna Classic is moving, be careful because this is your resistance. However, if you end up breaking above here and you retest, then you might actually try to take an entry because it may move back up, because this is a huge falling wedge, and falling wedge is a bullish reversal chart pattern, and you might actually just look at the reversal to go back to the upside. But then again, you need to break above. And that's all for the video on Luna Classic. I'm going to see you the next one. Love.